So these certificates, they really help you a lot when you're looking for jobs or anything outside. It helps your CV to stand out. I'm Muskan Gupta and I'm doing my engineering from NIT University. I'm currently in fourth year. I had a strong base on mathematics and science, so that is the reason why I opted for engineering. And I'm doing my internship right now as a part of my 8th semester in Big Basket. NIT, for every person, their college is somewhat precious. So it's a place where you learn a lot, you do a lot, you make good friends, you make good connections. There were many clubs and committees, and I started with theater. I was part of a theater club. Then I got hold on one club, then I was part of many other clubs. So what I generally believe is it's not only important to be intelligent, so be good in studies, only be a part of studies, just be involved in that. So these clubs, these committees have really given me that self-confidence. It has made me a better person. It has changed my, mindset. The way I look at things now, it's quite different. It's really important to not be stuck to what college is giving you or what you are studying at college. You should also explore outside. So these certificates, they really help you a lot when you're looking for jobs or anything outside. It helps your CV to stand out. Other than that, I have done Splunk certification and HTML ka certification, data science, business analytics on Coursera, edX. So the multiple courses available on these sites. You should just go and grab it and take a certificate. So we have these few subjects in our college: statistics, inferential statistics, predictive modeling, machine learning, and business analytics. So these are few subjects, where the colleges teaches it. Our college, it provides a course of only 1 year. It's a course of 1 year. So I think that's very less of a time. And main courses, machine learning and these are introduced in the 7th semester. So I really think that's very less of a time. So things are quite fast in college also. They teach you very fast. So the deep understanding is important, and that is what you can take it from outside. You can go through videos, you can do some certification, you can learn from outside. There were like a lot of hackathons that I was also suggest students out there to be a part of hackathon. That teaches you a lot. Hackathon is all about there's this code given and you have to come out with a solution, and you have a team and you also have a time limit. So that is kind of important, because in this time limit, what kind of things comes to your mind, how much you're able to implement it, and how fast you're able to implement it. That is what is important. I did do internship in my summer break. As I told you, I don't like sitting idly. I love doing something or the other. So I invested my time here in doing internships. So my first internship was in NIT Limited. I was made to work on ERP system of NIT University. So yes, I was made to work on languages like ASP.NET and C#. There was few interview steps. First screening step was your CV, resume. Second was your small assignment they provided. As it was, I was in second year then, they provided me with a small assignment. And then there was this interview process, like small technical interview. Yes. And I was selected, and so I did an internship for 2 months. My second internship, I did it here only in Assam. That is from Indian Oil Corporation Limited. And there I worked in few projects of machine learning. That was also a good learning for me. I could learn a lot. But because of this COVID-19, there was a lot of, orders placed for groceries and all those stuff. So there was all of a sudden, there was a lot of, traffic. There was a lot of traffic, and most of the time we faced this problem. The pod were down, the server was down, and so we had to deal with that. As I was an intern, I didn't have much of pressure on me, but yes, the general employees, technical lead, senior software engineer, they really had this problem. So yes, so this sometimes the pods, sometimes the server, sometimes the website is not functioning well, so they had to manage all this. Yeah, it was quite tough. What really matters in a college project is these functions are working. Okay, fine, we are ready to submit our project. but that is not the case when it comes to coming. So I was I am a software developer intern. I have to develop things, and then these are deployed on the QS server, like the testing. These people, in simple words, I would say that these are testers. So QA is quality assurance people. So they check, they check this. They write test cases. They do sanity testing and all, and they test it again. Your whole thing is working fine or not, and then they report the bug if something is not working well. So these bugs, then they come on us. Then we have to do again. We have to work on that. We have to make things work, and then again it goes to the QS. It works. Then it goes to the production server. There it is again checked once. Everything is working fine or not, and then it goes live. So there's multiple steps before a project going live. My team members, they were quite helpful. They taught me a lot, like this is not how it should be, this is how you should do it. My two internship, not this data science one here in ISL, but in NIT Limited and the Big Basket one, they both went live. So I worked on the live projects, and it was something on real life, something on something real based. So it was not on dummy projects like you work on, okay, your internship is over, you can go. It was nothing like that. So yes, in that case, I was lucky enough. And my third internship I did in Big Basket as a software developer. And there also I was made to work on the live project, that is Planogram. Placements in our college, they're really good. Even in such a situation like COVID-19, we are getting, like, this is a crucial time when we have to give a lot of interviews and all to make a place in some company. So we are really getting every day we are getting 2 to 3 opportunities. So that's a good thing. Like, even in such a situation, we are bombarded with such good opportunities. Companies that come to our colleges are IBM and Big Basket, your JP Morgan, Amazon. If you really have that determination, that that thing that you have to do something, you'll do it. Place doesn't matter. So it's really important to be determined. You should have that thing. Yes, I have to do it. You'll do it. Yes, that is what I really want to give a message to people outside. That yes, if you really feel disappointed that I'm not able to crack this, or what if I'm not in an IITs or NITs, it's okay. It's really okay. Just be that hardworking, move forward, rather than thinking of what you couldn't do or what you didn't achieve. It's always better to take a step and move forward and think of future.